Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about the volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Yes, you all know the meaning of volume, I suppose. Huh? Volume is as we have studied in physics, that volume is the space occupied. And volume we find of only three-dimensional figures. Yes, I hope you understand three dimensions means it should have length, it should have breadth, and it should have height. Yes, three-dimensional figure. Like in two-dimensional figures, what have you studied? We have studied square, rectangle, circle. Yes, all these are two-dimensional figures. When I talk about three-dimensional figure, yes, now square. Now let us come to this. A cube is a 3D figure of a square. Yes, if you see, this is a square and it goes to a height A only. Yes, cube means, square means both the sides equal, length and breadth are equal, A and A, and the height is also equal to A. That means all the three dimensions are equal. The square is going to a height H, A. So the volume of a cube, volume of any figure is equal to area of the base into height. But symmetrical figure should be same from bottom to the top. Yes, it should have same area from bottom to the top. If it is a square, it should be a square at the bottom and it should be a square at the top also. Yes, you cannot find the area of volume without finding the, yes, if you know this area, this is the area of a square, this is the square, and if it goes to, this same square goes to a height A only, so volume is equal to, that means this area is going to some height. Yes, so area of the base same, because area of this base and the top both are same. Both have to, same figure has to go. That is, they are called as regular figures. Yes, so volume is always equal to, we will not learn volume as straight away the formula of the volume of cube and this. Volume is always equal to area of base into the third dimension. Third dimension, you can say can be the height, it can be the length, whatever. Yes, so area of base, now here the base is a square and it goes to a height A. Yes, all the length, breadth and height are equal. So we can say volume is equal to area of the base is a square. So area is A square, height is third dimension is also A. This A square is going to a height A. So therefore the volume is area of the base A square into A. Yes, you have learned exponents to power will 2 plus 1, that is A cube. Okay, now the volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side, you can say. Now if you know the volume and you know the height, you can find the area of the base. Yes, similarly if you know the area of the base and the height, you can find the volume. Now coming to a cuboid. What is a cuboid? Cuboid is a 3D figure of a rectangle. Yes, now this is a rectangle whose length is L, breadth is B. Yes, you can see this is length and breadth and same length and breadth. Yes, the same rectangle is going up to a height H. Yes, same area of the rectangle area. What is the base? The base is a rectangle. Yes, and area of the base is length multiplied by breadth. Yes, so area of the base is length and this base is going to a height H. Same area is of the top also. Yes, so we can say it's a regular figure. Yes, we can say volume is equal to area of base into height. Now base is a rectangle, so area of base is length into breadth and this area goes to a height H. So therefore the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. Here also you can find the area of the base, yes, by dividing volume by the height. So you can write area of the base is equal to volume divided by the height. Okay. So anything you can find if you know L and B and you know the volume, you can find the height. If you know B and H, you can find the length. Yes, by substituting it in this formula. Next is cylinder. Now what is a cylinder? Cylinder is a 3D figure of a circle. You see, this is a circle. Its base is a circle. And what is the area of circle? Yes, area of circle you have studied in previous video. It's pi r square. Yes, and this pi, this is the radius of the cylinder, this is the height of the cylinder, and this circular base is going to a height H. Yes, you can see the top is also a circle of the same radius. So area of the top and the bottom is same. Therefore, we can say that volume of this cylinder is equal to area of the base multiplied by third dimension. So volume, what is the base? Base is a circle. Yes, so base is a circle, so its area is pi r square. Yes, into the third dimension, this radius circle is going to a height h, so its height is h. So pi, area of the base multiplied by height, so pi r square h. Volume is pi r square. Now don't just mug up, just say yes, area of the base is a circle, so volume is equal to pi r square h. Okay, I hope you've understood. Here you can find the, if you know the circumference of the base is given, so you can find 2 pi r is equal to, you can find the radius, and you know the height, you can find the volume. Yes, now do the worksheet that is given. Okay, I'll discuss some questions in the next video.